Welcome back to the video on the Nissan Qashqai J11 1500 turbo diesel. I've made a start, taking her to bits, as you can see, and I'll just go through a few bits what are broken. This is the front slam panel, sits on there, and as you can see she's bent, considerably bent. I think the impact must have been about here somewhere on the car. It pushed all the radiators back. There's lots of broken plastics, even the horn got broken, which I've got a new one coming actually with the front slam panel. The air conditioning radiator, the condenser radiator, that's got a hole in it, so I've got a new one of those coming, but the radiator behind, the water radiator, the coolant radiator, is actually fine. It's a little bit of a tweak there, but it doesn't leak, and it looks in pretty good condition. Wiring loom, it's had a bit of a shunt through, but none of the wires are actually broken. I will double check those wires, but they all look like they're intact to me, but I will double check that before I put anything back together. Headlight gone, that's part of the headlight. Dry passenger side headlight totally gone. Driver's side one, well, maybe fixable, but it's I'll show you that in a minute. Anyway, this is the front crash bar, and that just goes to show what sort of wallop it had. I mean, obviously it's not particularly thick, but it's had a bit of a wallop because it's, even though it's not that thick, it's bent to a shape, isn't it, where it's actually bent the brackets as well. So it's had a bit of a wallop, isn't it, as you can see, but no other damage. Hopefully the crash bar, the slam panel will fit straight back on. She's looking okay. New radiator, I need to replace the top radiator support bracket, which is plastic, goes on that lug there, and it sits on the intercooler one here. So I've got yet to get one of those. That's got to go back on. Lots of plastics, which will that I think I can fix with a bit of glue, with a bit of marine glue. Glue that back on that side, because they're like 90 quid for those on eBay for a set. So that's not happening. I've taken off the wheel arch trims so I could get to the headlight bolt. They just clip off. Gives me a chance to clean all that up as well. Driver's door obviously the same as it was. I've managed to find a bonnet which is down in Essex, so I'm going to go and collect that on Friday. Parts of these are quite expensive. Driver's door, £450. Well, that's not happening. I'll open the boot and show you what bits we've got. We've got the headlight from the driver's side. As you can see, she's had a bit of a wallop. I'm not sure whether that's repairable. Perhaps anybody wants to let me know in the comments what they think about that if I repair that. We've got the front panel sits above the radiators. Anything broken on that is there, which may be repairable. There's the panel for the other side, the one I just showed you in the front can be repaired. That one's gone, I think. There's another bit to it there. Lots of broken plastics. Well, I say lots, it's a few bits and bobs. So, here's the front, the bit I was talking about where the radiator, top radiator mount. So that one goes, which way around is it? That way around. So intercooler that side, that's broken, that needs replacing. That'll need replacing. You have to look at that. I'll show you the bumper. I thought the bumper was salvageable, but unfortunately not. It's all in one. I thought the plastic on the bottom was going to be clipped in, but alas no. It's only got a wallop there. The paintwork itself is not too bad. You can see it's scratched tonight, but I mean it was doable. But this is broken here, right where the towing eye is. So she's gone. So not repairable, because the other side, if I can flick it over, is all one unit, all one complete piece. I'll take the fog lights out of it, obviously, the driving lights, and pull them out, and the parking sensors, they need to come out. Anyway, that is it. That's how far I've got. I will let you know when I start putting pieces back on. Thanks for watching.